If you like eggplant and you like spicy, then this eggplant and tofu in spicy garlic soy sauce is the recipe for you. In this recipe, you will need Indonesian chili paste or sambal terasi, Chinese eggplant, firm tofu, garlic, Thai chili, red bell pepper, and fresh tomatoes. It is really easy to make and the taste is so delicious. You can make it super spicy or not spicy at all. Hey everyone, this is Erwina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious spicy salted eggplant in sweet soy and garlic sauce. Make sure to watch until the end of my video to learn how to make this yummy Indonesian chili paste that you can use in any dish. It's great in soups, nasi goreng, ramen, and etc. And let's start the cooking. First, we cut the eggplant and the tofu. You can chop them however you like, long, small, or bite-sized pieces. I like to cut them thin and long. Then fry them until they are cooked and golden brown. You can also steam them to make less greasy, but fried tastes better. Now, let's prepare the sauce. Get the garlic chopped or minced and chili as you wish, and then the tomato. Since I like mine super spicy, I add more chili, but you don't have to because we will add chili paste soon. And I like to add these grape tomatoes, but they are optional. Now we need to cook in the medium to hot oil until fragrant. I would say about 2 or 3 minutes. Then add about 3 tablespoons chili paste or more if you like it saucy. Add the tomato, then add half to 1 tablespoon sweet soy sauce. And then add the tofu, stir a little bit and add in the eggplant. Mix well and we are done. You can use this as a side dish or a main course and serve this with rice. Jasmine rice is the best. Now let's taste it. It's so sweet, soft, spicy and juicy, and of course so tasty. Now, as I promised, here is how to make multi-purpose Indonesian chili paste, or as we call it, sambal terasi. You will need Thai chili or red chili, large onion, garlic, bell pepper, Roma tomato, shrimp paste, salt, sugar, and mushroom powder or chicken powder. Chop and cook until everything is soft. This takes at least 15 to 20 minutes. and then make a paste in the blender. When it's cool, store in airtight jars in the fridge for a week. It can last up to a few months if you freeze it. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this eggplant tofu in spicy garlic soy sauce recipe and my Indonesian chili paste. And I see you next time.